back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a fall makeup tutorial. I love the fall and I'm just so hyped for fall videos. This video is also going to be like a what's new at the drugstore type of video. So I got 3 makeup items from this company called Profusion. I've never ever heard of them. Let me know if you guys have down below in the comments, because I personally haven't, but I'm really excited to try it out. The palettes that I got were so pretty. By the way, this isn't sponsored. I literally got this from Walgreens. And yeah, so this is the 10 shade eyeshadow palette, and this is the blush and highlight palette. And then I got this little lip kit, and it comes with a lip liner, a lip cream, and a sparkling lip topper. So all of these colors are fallish colors, so I just thought it would be so perfect for this video. And if you guys are new here on my channel, my name is Leilani. I upload a new video every Wednesday and Saturday, so make sure you click that subscribe button down below and turn on that post notification bell. So without further ado, let's just dive into this video. I put this headband on prior to me filming this video because I need my hair out of my face. So yeah. Let's move a little closer up so then you can actually see my face. Okay, now we're up close and personal. So yeah, let's get started. So first I have this face cream from Mix Easy. This has just been the face moisturizer I have been using for the past couple months. I really like it. It's actually been like 4 months, or 3 months to be exact. But yeah, I really like it, and I've just been using this face moisturizer a whole lot, so that's great. A few of the products I'm showing you guys is just some of my everyday products, because I didn't really want to like spend so much money at the drugstore for this video, because your chica is back in college and I do not want to spend any more money than I already do. Well, I mean, I shouldn't really say that. I do go to Starbucks a lot, which I need to stop doing, but the pumpkin spice lattes are so hard to resist. Oh god, I never knew how hard it would be to go back to school and have to like resist the urge to go to Starbucks, because like during the summer I never go to Starbucks unless like I'm physically at a place that has a Starbucks, and then I'll like give in and I'll be like, okay, I really want Starbucks. But you know, that really did not happen, because I just lost my train of thought. So yeah, over the summer, hardly ever had Starbucks, probably like once every couple weeks. But now that I'm back at school and I'm constantly on a campus that has a Starbucks, I just can't resist it. And the iced pumpkin spice lattes have been my absolute fave. Like, they are such a hit and they just taste so good. Like, I don't have any like off days with the Starbucks employees. They're always just so good at making it. And it just makes me really happy, you know, but my bank account is not happy because it's a lot of money for a grande. Oh my god, I'm like going off on a tangent about Starbucks pumpkin spice lattes. Wow, I have so much energy. I've only sipped a few sips of my drink. What am I saying? So before I started filming this video, my brother was like, oh, let's get a Dunkin'. And I was like, I'm kind of trying to film a video in a few minutes. And then he was like, but I'll buy you the coffee. So I was like, well, I mean, if I'm not using my own money, why am I gonna not get it? That would be really dumb of me. Man, I wasn't gonna use concealer, but my nose has been breaking out. I don't know why. Okay, I'm back. Now I have some concealer because my nose is breaking out and it's red. And I don't want to be... Oh! I literally got concealer on my bed. Shoot. Oh my god, it looks so bad. Why do I always drop things? Literally my KFC mukbang, I dropped my potato wedge, and now I literally dropped concealer on my bed. Now I have to do laundry. You know, I could let that bother me, but I'm not gonna let it bother me because I just don't care. I just opened the eyeshadow palette. It is so pretty. It's mostly just like nude. It has this like really pretty orange color which matches my headband, so I might end up using that. But yeah, we're not doing that now though. We need to do the brow. So I'm using this color. It's called Fuse, and it looks like it's almost my brow color. We will see. Oh no, this is not my shade. Okay, scratch that. I'm just not gonna use that shade on my brows because it just does not match at all. So we're just gonna use what I always use, the Anastasia brow powder. So as you guys all know, I started school like a week and a half ago. It's been going pretty solid besides some minor hiccups here and there. But yeah, other than that, I love seeing my friends every single day, and the classes aren't too bad so far. I mean, I have a Russian professor for Calc 3, so that's been really rough. Like, really rough. I have no idea what he's saying. He doesn't say bye to us. Well, he didn't say bye to us or hi to us on the first day. So I was like a little thrown off. I was like, hello dude. We are your students. Are you gonna say hi? No? Okay, that's great. Oh, my mother's calling me. Hello? I'm kind of intrigued by this orange color because it matches my headband. So, I don't know, I feel like I should use that, but I'm a little scared. I'm just gonna use the shade that's above it. It's called Zing. I'm gonna apply that color all over my crease. Ooh, this is actually really nice. Like, it's very buildable. Like, you just have to keep applying more and more, and then you'll get a darker color on your lid. So let's do the same thing to the other crease. And everyone watching this video, I need your help. I have been having a writer's block, but like not writing because I hate writing, like a YouTuber block, I guess. I don't know what to call it. But yeah, anyways, I've been a little stuck. I don't really know what I want to film and upload for you guys. And I know I took off like these past 2 Wednesdays because I didn't want to just upload a video just to upload a video. And I just really did not know what to upload, so that's why I didn't upload anything. I want to make sure that I don't like lose the momentum of me uploading twice a week. So it would be greatly appreciated if you guys would comment down below what videos you want to see, because that honestly helps so much. Like in August, I feel like I was thriving because it was just so easy. Like, oh, August is the back to school month, so I just uploaded tons and tons of back to school videos. But now that it's September, I'm like, okay, it's like a little too early for lots and lots of fall videos, and especially Halloween videos. But then it's like a little too late for back to school videos because everyone's back to school already. So I just don't know what to upload anymore, and I just need your help. So I did the crease for both of my eyelids, and now I have to pick an eyelid color. I kind of like the one that's next to it. It's called Doll. I don't really know my colors that well, like other than the colors of the rainbow, so I would have to say this is like, I don't know, like a light to medium skin color. I have no idea if that makes sense or not, but yeah. The one thing I'm noticing with this palette is that it does have a lot of fallout, but I mean, it's okay because it is very buildable, the eyeshadow, so that's always a good thing. Like, I'd rather have fallout but it's actually pigmented and buildable than like a non-fallout type of palette and it's not buildable. I really want to use that orange color, but it's like a little frightening because it's like so bam. If only this was like a live broadcasting, I can like ask you guys the question and then you guys can answer and I can see what I should do. Or maybe I'll just use that orange shade like on my actual eyelid. Like instead of using eyeliner, I should use that. Oh god guys, I'm so nervous. so far it is going well. We'll see how it rolls around once I put mascara on, and maybe that was just a big waste of my time, but maybe you guys won't know that I put it on, but I know that I put it on. So okay, so now I'm gonna use my Essence Lash Princess mascara. It's my favorite mascara in the entire world, and it's literally like $5, I'm pretty sure. I'm just so hyped for fall. I know that's so random, but like I guess it's not that random since I'm doing a fall makeup tutorial right now, but oh my god, I love fall so much. I just feel like fall is the best time for fashion because it's like a comfortable temperature outside, and you can start wearing sweaters, and you can wear flannels, and you can just wear cute little fall dresses. Like, fall is really the season of like thriving in fashion. Like, it's just so awesome. I was talking about this with my friend the other day, and I was like, wow, I'm like so hyped because I actually wore this sweater to school, and even though it is a bit humid outside, I was like, whatever, it's fine. It's very like loose fitting. It's just so great. I love the fall. I'm so excited. And then I love apple picking and drinking apple cider and going pumpkin picking too. That's always a grand time. There's just like so much to do in the fall. It just starts to be not as fun when it gets super cold because that's not a great time at all. I hate when it's cold because then you can't really go outside unless you want to freeze your behind off. Yay, I'm done with the eyes, so now it is time for blush and highlight. So for blush, I'm going to use the very outer shade right here. It's the one all the way to the left. And I don't know, it's like a little extra for me for blush. Like, this is a little too pink for me. I typically like the rosier ones, but let's see. Not that bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse, but oops, I put a little too much now. And then next for highlight, I'm gonna be using the middle shade. Actually, I'm gonna use this shade, the fourth one right here. It's called Passion. It's more of like a reddish brown type of highlight, and it just looks super pretty, so I'm gonna put that on my cheekbones. Wow, that glow though. Wow, I put a little too much blush on. Let's wipe away some so I don't look like a clown. So now finally I'm moving on to the lips. So first we are going to use this lip liner in the shade Imagine. And then I'm gonna use this little guy. This is the matte lip cream, also in the shade Imagine because, you know, they go together. But I'm not going to use this sparkling lip topper because, you know, I feel like that's just a little too extra for me, so I'm just not going to use that one. But this is the completed fall makeup look. So that is it with this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to find these makeup products and link them for you guys down below, so then you can check this company out, because I have personally never really heard of this company, Profusion. But I thought it was interesting, and the palettes looked really, really pretty. And like I mentioned earlier, I would love, love, love if you guys can comment down below any video ideas that you have for me. It would be greatly appreciated, and I just want to know what you guys want to see. So let me know down below. So that is it with this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!